Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about what bankruptcy should I file in Monticello, Minnesota. If you live in or around Monticello, Minnesota, and you know you've got to file bankruptcy and you're wondering, but which one do I file? Well, first of all, an experienced bankruptcy law firm is going to help you through that. But just as a couple of initial questions to ask. Number one, do you have any leftover money after you pay your expenses? Now, this is leftover money after you pay your expenses, but not including payments on credit cards, medical bills, and because those things go away. If you say, well, look, if I pay my reasonable and necessary expenses and I still have money left over, we're probably going to be talking about a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the government sponsored debt consolidation plan, couple of twists. You make payments back to your creditors based upon what you can afford to pay. At the end of a certain duration, typically 3 years, whatever doesn't get paid off gets wiped out tax-free. Two, you might be asking, well, what if I'm behind on my car or my house and or I owe back taxes? What happens if I'm behind on my house and I want to keep my house and I don't want to lose my car? Well, in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, we can cure your arrears on your house or your car over the course of years, and you don't lose your house or your car. So we can stop foreclosure sales, we can stop garnishments. Number three, if you say, well, what if I don't qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? It's been less than 8 years. Then we could file you as a Chapter 13 and stop garnishments and levies as well. Of course, if this doesn't fit you, then we're going to be talking about a Chapter 7. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Minnesota's nicest bankruptcy law firm, guaranteed or 100% off your fees by clicking the button above. You'll be glad you did.